Hello guys, welcome back to Technican. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve Wi-Fi can't connect to this network problem, which is going to work in any Windows version. There are lots of methods available to fix it, but I'm going to show you top 3 methods which will work for you surely. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications on time. So let's get into the video. So I'll show you the problem first. For that, just click on here, go to your Wi-Fi and click on connect. After connecting, it will show that it is not able to connect to this network. So that is the main problem we are dealing with here. I'll show you the first method which will work for you most of the times. For that, you have to right click on this PC, click on manage. There you can see this window popping up. Click on device manager, click on network adapters. You'll see all these options. Most of the time it will be Realtek, but if it is something different, check here. Mine is Realtek. Double click on it, click on advanced settings. You can see a wireless mode here, click on that. So you can see a value here. Click on the drop down. There are 3 options available here. Click on the first option and click on OK. So let it get updated. Minimize this and try to connect it again. Give the password. Click on next. So as you can see, it is connected here. So this is the first method which has worked. If this doesn't work, I'm going to show you another 2 methods which will work for you. So if the first method doesn't work, just follow me for the second method. Go to this window again. You'll see again this pop-up. Just go here and right click. Update the driver. Here you will again see a pop-up. There are 2 options available. Search automatically for drivers. Click on that. The driver is already installed on my computer, so I'm not going to install it. But for you it might not be. So click on that and install it and just close it. And then again go here, click on your Wi-Fi and try to connect it. So as you can see, this method has also worked. Now after these 2 methods, if this also doesn't work, I'm going to show you another method, which is the last one. Just simply click on here, forget it, and then try connecting it again. So it is again connected. That's it for this video guys. So if you still face any issues while connecting to the Wi-Fi, just comment down below. I'll clear those out. Please like this video, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.